to CV Magazine. We are at Mumbai Fire Brigade's Regional Command Center in Borivali. Today has been a really special day for us on the eve of the 75th Independence Day. A fantastic workshop arranged by Project Mumbai in collaboration with Mumbai Fire Brigade. Behind me you see these lovely fire vehicles. The whole of the morning was spent in understanding the nitty-gritties of fire and equipping citizens of Mumbai, including citizens from different walks of life, age no bar, gender no bar. All of them were equipped with the fundamental tools of becoming fire marshals in their own neighborhoods. So before they press the panic button and call in the Mumbai Fire Brigade, which has a turnaround time of about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on Mumbai traffic. Of course, things might get slightly delayed, but they typically have a benchmark turnaround time of 10 minutes. I'm told that recently they also did a turnaround time with a target of 7 minutes to reach the spot. But before Mumbai Fire Brigade reaches the spot, citizens like us, citizens like you, can turn fire marshals and prevent casualty from growing really, really big. So it was a very, very interesting session. More to that in this video that follows. Stay tuned.
ये साइड के रेड पे होता है तो फिर ये बहुत देर से
लाइक क्यों, मतलब ये तो हम फायर सेफ्टी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं।
के पीछे बैठ के झुक के थोड़ा और झुक के चलो 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 गुड फास्ट और फास्ट। आप थोड़ा आगे चलिए
जी,
थोड़ा ही बचा है, 1 2 बचा है। चलो जल्दी जल्दी नीचे, कुछ नहीं होगा आप लोगों को।
आप इसे पकड़ो, मैं दबाती हूँ ऐसे बोली बात मैं तो ये आपने ओके
fire. Done. Just giving you a quick glimpse of the Borivali Command Center of Mumbai Fire Brigade. First up is the Volvo FM 500. It's one of the longest vehicles that the Mumbai Fire Brigade has. You can clearly look at the sheer size of this vehicle. One of the longest Bronto skylifts, F78 HLA. Bureau 4 standards. Up next is MAN 25 300. MAN after exiting India is still providing service to the Mumbai Fire Brigade, and these continue to be the long stay of the Mumbai Fire Brigade. Have a closer look. The CLA 16 300, beg your pardon. 6 regional command centers, 35 fire stations, and 18 mini fire stations of Mumbai Fire Brigade, handling a population of 2 crore Mumbai citizens. This that you see is a new addition to the fleet. These are used, or rather will be used, to refill the oxygen apparatus of the fire officers. 3 such vehicles have been added recently. This is the rear view of these fantastic machines. Let's quickly go and get a glimpse of the rest of the fleet. Following the quick responders are these machines. The center one that you see is used for rescue operations. So typically, once the fire officer and the first responder reach the site, they will assess the situation and then call back the command center to bring in these vehicles with the rescue men and other apparatus. Before we have a look at the front of these vehicles, just a quick pan to show you some of the other additions in the fleet. That's the Tata Sumo Gold. Then you have the Mahindra Bolero. And here you have the Tata Yodha. Some interesting and nicely safeguarded vehicles here, which you hardly get to see on road. So, thanks to Mumbai Fire Brigade for giving us a free hand of catching hold of their fleet. You can see there's a mobile water transportation vehicle tag on this one. Can you guess which one is this? This is the Bharat Benz 1617. Fantastic vehicle. A piece right next to it is the, keep guessing, it is the MAN PGM 18330. What a beauty. Fantastic vehicle there. Again, one of the mainstays of the Mumbai Fire Brigade. One of the older custom built vehicles, still looks elegant and has a nice vintage touch to it. Reminds you of the golden days of these services. That was a quick tour on CV Magazine. Stay tuned to get some interesting similar insights.